This is what I deal with every time I have an order.
What's up, y'all? How you doing? So now you may be wondering, come on, what's going on with you? Why are you on camera looking so rough? Like, what I do? First of all, I'm jet lagged, and I've realized whenever you're flying to the west, you're okay. So I don't really get jet lagged in Jamaica like that. But when I'm coming back to the east, yo, it's 10:55. It's 10:55, and there's not a wink of sleep in me. So I decided, why not vlog? You know, I said I'm gonna vlog whatever it is. So here we are. This is my situation right now, and yeah, I'm looking rough on camera. I have not done my hair since I left UAE. That was what, 6 months ago? But no, never fear. We're gonna get that sorted out real quick. We're gonna get correct real quick. As a matter of fact, hold on. Does it look better? What do you think? Wait. Do I look put together, like at least it's matching? Anyways, so I'm gonna do my nighttime routine. So people, can you see me? I said, all right, come on, you know what? Let's just vlog, you know. You're not feeling sleepy. Let's make some little content for the tubes. Camera battery dead. Let's not pretend like you weren't using this your phone all this time. So that's what we're doing. We are vlogging back on our phones, like the good old days. We're gonna charge up the camera. By the way, did I show you guys the camera? It's a Sony ZV-1. I had wanted to buy one. I should come closer. Looks like this. And what I like is that, first of all, it can fit in your pocket. Second of all, it opens up like this. No, I had said first that I wasn't gonna buy any camera until I reach 1K subscriber. I'm like, come on, the numbers will come, you know? Numbers are temporary, but vibes are forever. Folding my clothes, and I'm like, why am I feeling this pain in my shoulders? So story, yesterday I got a call. I'm at work. I got a call. It was the nurse from work. She said, hey Cam, are you joining us? Joining you where? She said, oh, did you not see the message? You have an appointment today with us. We're heading off now. Could you join? We're going to clinic because you need to get your vaccination shot. I had completely forgotten that 6 months ago when I first came, I got vaccinated for multiple things, and I was just like, yo, what was my parents? What were they doing in the 90s? Why do I need so many vaccines? Anyways, they said some people have high immunity for certain things or whatever. So anyways, I had like my second and third dose, the 28th, which was yesterday. I was like, oh, I completely forgot. So I'm running down the streets. Like, by the way, it's overcast. It's cold. I'm sprinting, trying to go get all my things because I didn't have the card that they give you to see what I had gotten before. And obviously I needed that because I got a lot of stuff. And I didn't know which one I had to do. Anyway, finally, I made it. And I got 2 shots, but they were so, like, especially this arm. Oof. So now I'm folding and I'm just like, wait a minute. Why do I feel this pain? Never remember it. So anyways, that also happened. Listen, a lot have happened since I've arrived. Since I've been here. Whichever. Oh, child. Anyways, let me go make some tea and relaxation. Good morning, everyone. It's Cam, for real. Now, I don't know when was the last time I picked up this vlog camera, but what I do know is that today we have a lot of things to do in this house. I mean, it's not terrible, but it needs to be a bit more organized. So, spend some time with me as I reorganize my life and just basically get back into my routine. It's been better. I think the last time I was telling you guys I was having jet lag, but it's getting better now. I am sleeping still later, but at least better than it was before. But yeah, that's just an update on my life. And if I look tired, I shouldn't, because it's now 1 p.m. and I'm now just getting up and getting to the swing of things. I was ordering groceries, so at least while I was laying down, I was doing something. I wasn't being totally, useless, but that is what we're doing. So yeah, was I sleeping on my couch? You be the judge of that. Okay, can I hang up?
هذا أنت معلم عربي؟
كنت جايب كاموي بس هاي
Okay. Tamam. Masalama?
نعم.
Here we go again. Hello?
sister وين هذا؟
Okay, I'm gonna go outside to see if I can find him because I don't know where he is. Give me a minute.
Y'all,
One of the biggest issues I have here is with delivery.
Okay.
Okay, let me go.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. See me? See me?
And this is what I deal with every time I have an order. Whether you're ordering a fork or you're ordering groceries, whatever you're ordering, there will be an issue. Truthfully, this company that I'm using, this app, they're the best ones that I've seen so far, both in Riyadh and when I was staying in Jeddah. But boy, you gotta have patience. I'm telling you, you've got to have patience. But yeah, I will unpack this once I'm finished organizing everything, because if I start doing this now, I'm not gonna do this. Let's just continue doing what we were doing before. Okay, back to the music.
right, we're gonna have to move some things around to find some space. So, while packing, I saw these potatoes. As you can tell, they have this greenish tintish thing. So I googled, well, I went on ChatGPT to ask, why do potatoes have green stuff? Like, why does it look green? I thought it was not really ripe. Turns out, you can eat potatoes any stage. And if it's green, it's a sign that it has toxins in it. But you can like peel it off and then eat the other parts that aren't green. And this, my friends, this is the reason why, even though it's convenient, shopping online can really be disastrous, because I would have never paid this if I was in the store.
Mark, chapter number 4. Perhaps one of the most famous stories that the greatest storyteller Jesus ever told. Mark chapter 4. Matthew, then Mark.
Sometimes you gotta help them.
If you're in Ephesians, you went too far. Understand any parable. In other words, this is not no regular basic story. It reminds me of Psalm 25, verse 14. I love this verse. It says, the secret of the Lord is with those who fear him, and he will show them his covenant. In other words, God says, I have some secret things for people who are seeking me. In other words, I'm selective of what information I give to certain people. Can you prove it? It's in the text.